Cabin 668 on deck 7. This is an accessible balcony cabin. So as you see, as you come in, there is a very expansive space, plenty of room for the wheelchairs or the scooters, right? There's plenty of room on either side of the bed. So the person using the chair or scooter can either get on this side or that side. Now where Lisa's standing, there's a closet there. There's also cubbies all above the bed and above the sofa down here. Across from all of this, there's another closet over here, mini fridge, some more storage. And this does pull down. I love this. Grab this handle, pull this down, and you can get to your clothes. Love that. Desk area, 2 US, 2 USB, 1 European. Of course, we do have lights here. There's a ramp built in to get out to the balcony, so let's show you that. Now for a scooter with small wheels, they may get stuck there, but wheelchairs, I do not think so. So there are a couple of chairs out here with some footstools and a little table. You are overlooking the lifeboats, but obviously you can see the views out here just fine. All right, so let's go look at the restroom, the bathroom. It is 0 clearance, which means you can roll right in. Grab bars in the shower as well as a bench, so you have something to transfer over to. Handheld wand. Also, you have grab bars over here by the toilet. There is a phone and an emergency pull in case you need help. Also, a nice sink that you can roll right up into. Power in this cabin's been lowered, so easily accessible if you need power. So there is your accessible balcony cabin, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.